Hello, in this video I will show you how to create a wildcard certificate with the simple steps. Also, I will add the used command on the blue description. First, I will open ssl4free.com. As you see, I typed my domain with asterisk in the beginning and then created the certificate. Now we have to verify the domain using the domain DNS verification. Here, as you can see, I already have my DNS records, but I'm just showing it again for you. Let's hit verify. As you can see, the text record found. That means it's validated. Let's download the SSL certificate. I will download all the SSL files. Once you extract the zip file, you will find 3 files. But here we will use OpenSSL tool to combine all these files in one BFX certificate. Also, I will upload OpenSSL tool and add the link to this video description. Now we have to run CMD with admin privilege. I copied OpenSSL tool to C drive. So let's hit the root. Now copy the command from the blue description and just modify the name of the files. Paste the command on the CMD and just hit enter. It will ask you for entering a password for the certificate. Now the BFX certificate have been created and you will find it under the same folder.